It's January 4th, 2021. This one here I got a call from a customer of mine to go change a bathroom faucet. I have, tried changing the supplies and whatnot in the past, and kind of a wimpy flow. So he called me, he got a new faucet and he wants me to change it out. So we're on our way over there now to give it the old switcheroo. I'll try to get you some shots if I can get the camera in there. I mean, some of these sink faucet changeouts are really tight. Can't really. It's not easy being cheesy, mama. Try to get you something if I can. Not easy being cheesy, y'all.
Ashway Boulevard.
Kind of a wet and dreary day. 35 degrees maybe. 36, something like that. Above freezing, so it's gonna rain, no snow. Give it the old, how you doing, mama? What was the other one, just low flow or was dripping? What was it?
The hot water side had a steady drip.
Steady drip, yeah.
And when you turn the handle, it was like a squeak, like metal against metal.
Yeah, so we'll put just put a new one in there. So it's the same size, same kind of drain. So probably don't have to change that. Got it off here. It's a Growy. That's a good one. You ain't got the Corona, do you?
Hospital so many times.
Don't even know if you got the thing, huh?
I was tested at Charlton just this past week.
I could test it. I didn't think it was that big of a deal. Did you?
Well, the first time I got tested, it was an easy test. This last time, they really went far up my died from the coronavirus.
Really? That's kind of shitty, huh?
Yeah, you're older than me. 17.
I mean, they don't have to be old. I mean, some of the young guys are dying from it. Cytokine storm, they call it. Whatever the hell that is. You're gonna get it, yeah? Look like new supplies. I put new supplies on this thing recently. Yeah. Change it out. When in doubt, change it out. Where'd you get the other faucet? Where'd you get the other faucet?
At Lowe's.
Yeah.
Your daughter still work there?
Yeah. She's worked there right along, even through the whole Corona thing, and they'd never shut down. Which I thought was kind of surprising, but I guess they're essential. I don't know. You can see the cholesterol in there. You can see the crustaceans in there. Crusty crustaceans. Oh yeah. I might have to change the supplies too. They look all look like they see better days. Someone sent me a link to the Ancestry.com shit for the, you know, family stuff. You're into that, aren't you?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, it's kind of hard to navigate through that shit. You ever go on that site?
Family tree site?
Yeah.
Yeah, I go on for Ancestry and I go on to 23andMe.
It's kind of a long process to do anything on that, isn't it?
I found quite a few relatives doing that.
Through that?
Yeah, I had my DNA tested. They can also tell you if you've got a genetic predisposition for certain diseases.
She's a Laker. She's a Laker.
That got killed was a plumber, huh? That kid that got killed in Dark, I thought he was a plumber, 25 years old.
How did he get killed?
I guess he got out of a car, he was a passenger in, and he got run over by another car.
Really?
Yeah, he had his own plumbing business at 25, and
Oh, is that the one down by on Route 6 there on New Year's Eve?
yeah, he taught at the boat part-time.
Really?
Yeah. He was only 25 years old.
Oh, so he was a plumber. Or a wannabe plumber.
Yeah, they said he had his own business at 25.
Really? Yeah, this Delta's a decent unit. Yeah, I did hear something about somebody getting hit by a car. So that's what it was.
Yeah.
Young kid got out of. How did he get out? He must have been drunk.
He was the passenger.
He got out of a car and somebody ran him over?
Supposedly, yeah.
What a way to go, huh? Now what's that? Considered homicide, right? Vehicle homicide?
Well, manslaughter.
Oh, too bad. I guess you never know, huh? You never know when it's your time to go, guy. Ain't that the truth? 26-year-old kid, gone. Right? So he got out of his car in the middle of Route 6 and somebody run him over?
Supposedly that's what happened.
He must have been drunk. I mean, if you're going to get out of the car on Route 6, I mean, that's a major highway. Right? Either that, he wasn't the sharpest tool in the shed. If you got out the passenger side, isn't that the side closest to the road?
Yeah,
Right? I don't know. Make any sense to me.
Have you ever installed any reduction meters for the water?
I talked to the guy in my town about that, right? And he says what they do is, if you're going to put one of their meters in, they give you a different rate. Because they don't want to lose no money on the water. So I don't know about the New Bedford one. I gotta get a different... I gotta get a different one for this, because this one ain't fit. Huh? How much are you using for water?
In summer, in winter my water bill's about $30. In summer it's almost 180.
Wow, so it's a lot, yeah.
Yeah, I do a lot of gardening.
How's your son doing with the crazy-ass girlfriend?
Oh, he got a new one and got married.
You got a new one and got married?
Yeah, he got a new girlfriend and then he got married. Took him 3 times to finally find a good woman.
They're all good till you marry them. Right? I'm gonna get in trouble. They're all good till you marry them. It looks good. All fun and games till you get married, right? I'm bad. Yeah, we'll leave the old drain in there. I mean, that's a better one actually, the one that's in there, so. All fun and games till you get married, then the game is over. You know? Oh my God, got something going on in there. Well, I got it so you can lift this thing right out now. If you gotta clean it, that's better. Alright, that's better. Weeks.